Oh, I look crazy. I know I look crazy, but it's good. So I really like to get it all here on my nose. You really want it because a lot of us have a large pores right here on our nose, so you want to get it right there. I look crazy, don't I? I look real crazy, but hey, the benefits, oh yeah, it pays off, okay? Okay. Hey, everybody, this is Tammy. So today we're talking about masking. One of the products that I use that I absolutely love because I have very oily skin, and even at my age, so I use our charcoal mask. This charcoal mask is amazing. The benefits of this product, it's going to reduce the size of your pores. So if you're somebody who experiences large pores, this is the product for you. If your skin has excess oils, this product is for you. Actually, anybody can use this product, but it really helps to absorb excess oils. Kaolin and bentonite clays is what helps absorbs the excess oil. Those of you who have that seasonal changes with your skin where in the winter your skin may be dry, in the summertime you may have excess oils, or those of you who have acne prone skin, it's because of the production of oils. So this product is going to help reduce the oil that you have in your skin. It also has honeysuckle and navy bean in the product, which helps discoloration of the skin. It's going to soothe your skin. Your skin is going to feel amazing after the use of this product. So I'm going to demonstrate how I use the product. So here is the charcoal mask. You can see I use it. So I'm going to put it on my silicone. I love using it on my silicone brush because I'm not getting the product all over my hand. And so what I like to do is I focus and put it on my nose and my forehead, and then I rub it all over. So you want to make sure you get this everywhere, all over your skin. Now, with the charcoal mask, how often should you use it? You should use this product 2 or 3 times a week. 2 or 3 times a week, and you let it sit on your skin for about 10 minutes, and it's going to absorb everything. And I'll show you once it starts drying how it, I know I look crazy, right? I look funny. Oh, I look crazy. I know I look crazy, but it's good. So I really like to get it all here on my nose. You really want it because a lot of us have a large pores right here on our nose, so you want to get it right there. I look crazy, don't I? I look real crazy, but hey, the benefits, oh yeah, it pays off, okay? Okay. I will be back in 10 minutes. So you guys, it's starting to dry. So I want to get up close to the camera so you could see right here where my pores, large pores are. So it is starting to dry in the areas, and it is getting tight. I love this. And look at this on my forehead. And the good thing about this product is I'm not pulling something off of my face. You know what I mean? I'm not like, they have that charcoal mask where it like peels off your skin. This is not that. This product, I can literally just wash the product off, and it is actually tightening as it dries. I'm going to give you guys another look so you could just see what it's doing. The nose, even up here on my forehead. It really shows the imperfections. that's going on, and it's really like sucking it out, right? I use this, like if I get like a acne bump, a bump on my face, I just take this doggone charcoal mask and put it on it and sit it there. Boom, it's gone. If you, like you young women that have your monthly and you have breakouts, charcoal mask, you just put it on there, you can walk around. You might look crazy for a bit, but I'm telling you, it absolutely works. So, okay, you guys, this is what it looks like. It's almost dry. It's still kind of wet here, but you can start seeing it's starting to look like a little, give it like a little ash look right here. Look at that. These are large, these are where my large pores is. So that product is going in there and sucking that stuff out right here. And definitely, I always have an issue on my nose. This right here, this area right here is my oily area. I have that T-zone even at my age. I still have excessive oily skin, and I get oily right here during the day. So I just wanted to show you guys, if you're dealing with excess oils or you have large pores on your skin, this product is for you. Even if you have dry skin, this product will help pull out whatever impurities you have on your skin. The only thing that you'll have to do is follow it up with a moisturizer. I've already washed my face. I'm getting ready to wash this off, and then I'll go with my next product. So here's my skin after my earrings. Here's my skin after I have put the product on my skin. My skin feels amazing, absolutely amazing. I would tell you, when you wash the product off, you want to make sure you're using a dark cloth. So now that my skin is dry, I'm going to use my Time-Wise Repair Replenishing Serum C and E. And what this product is going to do for me is it helps even my complexion. It's going to help with my fine lines and wrinkles, and it's also helping with firming my skin. And helps with the collagen. I had that video talking about the use of collagen. I have that video up here for you, somewhere up there. So I want you to check out that video, and I talk about how we lose collagen, in our 20s. So now that I have the serum C and E on my face, then I go in with my Value Firm Advanced Lifting Serum, my favorite. I go through this stuff like it's nothing, okay? Because, hey, a chick wants to firm her skin, okay? So I take that. So you put this product all right here and under your neck. So you just take a small amount and rub it in that upward motion for your skin. I'm looking down in my mirror. And I also like to put it under my neck here, because this is, that sag. This is where we start to sag, right here under our neck. And if you notice, I'm going up in an upward motion on my neck. And the last product that I use is my Value Firm Day Cream. The Value Firm Day Cream has sunscreen broad brand SPF 30 in there. So I take that and put it all over. So I make sure that my skin has the moisture, and I'm making sure that my skin is also protected by the sun. Sometimes you go outside and you don't think that the sun is out there, even when it's cloudy and raining out there. The UVA and UVB rays are out there. So you want to protect your skin from the environment. So you make sure you put this stuff on your face. So now my skin is ready for me to apply makeup on, if that's what I want to do. So that's done. The last thing I do is I'm going to use my eye cream, and you just put a small amount here and a small amount over there, and you use your ring finger to pat that in, avoiding your eye, but you're just putting it under this part right here. So what does the eye cream does? It moisturizes up under that eye area. It helps reduce puffiness, and it also helps reduce dark circles. I said reduce. I didn't say get rid of. Because I think that some people have dark circles that are hereditary. And I just, you know, I think you can get like a temporary relief, but this will help reduce it. Okay, so that is what I do after I do the charcoal mask. My skin feels absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Yes, it does. You guys, this is it. I've done my face for the morning, and I just put a little CC cream, put my little eyebrows on, and a little lip gloss because I'm going to be out in my yard. The CC cream, which is a color corrector, or what you would call a tinted moisturizer, has SPF 30 in there. It's also going to protect me from the sun because I'm going to be out working in my yard today. So I don't want a whole bunch of makeup on my face. I put a little lip gloss on and some mascara. This is my look. This is it. So I'm not really going anywhere, and I didn't want to do like a full-blown glam. This is my natural look. If my eyelashes were not as thin, you would probably see the mascara a little bit more, but hey, this is my natural. My natural. For those of you women who do not wear makeup or foundation, you just want to make sure your skin is protected from the sun. So when you're out and about in the daytime, you're not getting sun damage for your skin. Like a lot of mature women, we start getting like dark spots. I have them in my skin, but what I'm doing is I really reduce it. It's not as prevalent. It's prevalent, but what's the word that I want to use? You want to protect your skin at all cost. So I'm not saying that I don't have the age spots. I do. I have them. But what I'm doing is reducing them. They're not deep. They're not deep. Yeah, that's the word I want. They're not deep. And so that's the video for today, you guys. And I hope I was able to provide you with something tangible, something that's going to help you. That's my goal, is to help and be as informative as I possibly can. That is the purpose of why I am here. So enjoy your day. It's Saturday, and enjoy with grandkids, kids, whatever your choice is, whatever it is. Have an amazing day today. And bye-bye, you guys.